Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear your browser history on the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate and tap on the Chrome app on your home screen or app drawer. This will open your default browser where all your browsing activity is stored. Once Chrome opens, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see three vertical dots, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the menu that appears, look for and tap on History. This option will take you to a complete list of all the websites you've visited recently, along with timestamps showing when you accessed them. Now at the top of the History page, you'll notice an option that says Delete Browsing Data. Tap on this to access Chrome's data deletion settings. This is where you can control exactly what information you want to remove from your browser. Next, you'll see several checkboxes for different types of data. Make sure to check the checkbox next to Browsing History. This ensures that your visited websites and search history will be cleared. You can also select other options here if you want to delete cookies, cached images, or saved passwords, but for now, we're focusing on browsing history. Before you proceed with deletion, look at the top of this screen where you'll find a drop-down menu showing the time range. Tap on it to see your options. If you want to completely clear everything, select All Time from the list. This will remove every single website you've ever visited on this browser. Alternatively, you can choose shorter periods like last hour, last day, or last week if you only want to clear recent activity. With your time range selected and browsing history checked, you're now ready to complete the process. Tap the Delete Data button at the bottom of the screen. Chrome will immediately begin removing all the browsing history within your selected time range. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your browser history on your Google Pixel 8 Pro, giving you a fresh start and improved privacy. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.